Hello and welcome to another video on my channel. Today we'll take a look at the Logitech Business C930E webcam. Sold for around 130 US and is a bit more expensive here in the Czech Republic, so instead of 2,800 Czech crowns it is sold for 3,200 or even 4,000 crowns on Alza. Let's see the specifications of this camera. The resolution is standard Full HD, that is 1080p on 30 frames per second. It has H.264 with scalable video, UVC 1.5 encoding, wide 90-degree field of view, autofocus, 4x zoom, integrated stereo omnidirectional microphones, USB-A plug-and-play, and a touchable privacy shutter. There's optional software you can install. One is for firmware updates and the other is control application, where you can manually set contrast, brightness, color intensity, white balance, and autofocus. So let's see the real life image, first as recorded from monitor, then as recorded by camera from the monitor. And as you can see, the picture is really sharp and has wide angle, so all recommendations for this cam. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.